Hi guys, we are back with part 2 of area, and here we will solve more important questions which you will face in any aptitude exam. I hope you all have seen part first because the topics and concepts are explained in part first, and one cannot do the questions until unless you know the formulas and the concept. Before moving on, let me tell you about our channel. So we provide regular updates on government jobs, technical, non-technical, and all other type of job opportunities, as well as preparation material for campus placements and government jobs. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel for regular updates. Please like the video and leave your queries in the comment section below. So this was the homework problem given in area part. First, the ratio between length and the breadth of a rectangular park is 3:2. If a man cycling along boundary of the park at speed of 12 km per hour completes one round in 8 minutes, then what is the area of park in square meter? So we know that parameter is equals to the distance covered in 8 minutes. Okay, so you will simply, what you will do first is it is 12 km per hour, so you will convert it meter per second, so you will multiply by 1000. It will be 12,000 divided by 60 into 8 because there are total 8 minutes, and for seconds because it is an hour, so to convert it into meter per second, I already have told you this thing also, that you have to multiply by 18 by 5, right? So it will be equals to 1600 meter. Now length, we'll consider length as 3x and breadth as 2x because these are given in ratios. So we can calculate the parameter like 2 into length plus breadth, and we'll put it equals to 1600. So you can calculate easily x from here. So x will be equals to 160. Now you can put the value of x in length and in breadth, and you will get length and breadth. Now for calculating area, you know that the formula is length into breadth. So you'll simply multiply length into breadth, and which is equals to 153600 meters square. Moving on to another question. An area 2% in axis is made while measuring the side of a square. The percentage of error in the calculated area of square is, okay, so 100 centimeter is read as 102 centimeter. So area of a square would be 100 into 100 centimeter square, and area of another square would be 102 into 102 centimeter square. If you're confused in this 100 and 102, so error 2% in axis is made while measuring the side of a square. It is talked about percentage here, that's why first area is we are taking as 100 and another as 102 because there is a error of 2%, so we'll just add on these two. So you can easily calculate the like error, you will subtract the squares from another, so that will be equals to 404 centimeter square, but you have to calculate it in percentage, so you will do it as 404 divided by 100 into 100, that will be equals to 4.04%. The ratio between the parameter and the breadth of a rectangle is 5:1. If the area of the rectangle is 216 square centimeter, what is the length of the rectangle? Okay, so you will write it as 2 into length plus breadth equals to 5:1, and you will simply write b here in denominator, and after the cross multiplication you will get it as 2l plus 2b equals to 5b, which is 3b equals to 2l. You will calculate one quantity from here like breadth or length, that is of your choice. After calculating this, you can calculate the area. By the way, area is given in the question already, 216. So length into breadth will be equals to 216. Now you know one of the quantities from here, so you will simply keep it here and equals to. After that you can calculate length, so length is equals to 18 centimeter here. So I know you must be confused with this, right? Why we took b here? So it is already given in the question that ratio between the parameter and the breadth is 5:1. So this is parameter and this is breadth. So simply you have kept formula of parameter here, and in division you have kept breadth here. The percentage increase in the area of a rectangle if each of its side is increased by 20%. So let original length be x meters and original breadth will be y meters. The original area would be xy meter per square. So new length, we similarly this is just like the question we did before. So there is also talked about percentage. So we will assume it as 100. So each of the sides is increased by 20% now. So that's why we have taken 120 here and in division 100. Obviously because talking about percentage. X because it is talked about length. Okay, so it will be 6x by 5 meter, and yeah, so for breadth you will take it as 120y and divided by 100, which will be equals to 6 by 5 y meter. So you will calculate the new area, you will multiply both length into breadth. You will get it as 36 divided by 25 xy meter per square. The question was to calculate the difference and increase percent. So difference you can calculate, area is xy and new area is 36 by 25 xy. You will subtract both the areas and you will get it as 11 by 25 xy. For calculating the increase percent, you will multiply 11 by 25 xy into 1 by xy into 100%. So that is equals to 44%. And your answer is 44%. The increase percent in the area is 44%. So this is all about area part second, and this is the homework problem for you guys. Do not forget to subscribe the channel for regular updates. Please like the video and leave your queries in the comment section, plus the answer of the homework problem also in the comment section. Thank you.